Health and beauty for luxury life. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that affects us all: maintaining good oral hygiene. Having a healthy mouth not only gives us a beautiful smile but also plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. So, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Brushing your teeth. This is the foundation of good oral hygiene. Make sure to brush your teeth at least twice a day, preferably after meals. Use a soft bristle toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Remember to brush all surfaces of your teeth, including the outer, inner, and chewing surfaces. Be gentle and use circular motions to clean effectively without damaging your gums. Next, let's talk about Step 2, flossing. Brushing alone cannot reach all the spaces between your teeth, and that's where flossing comes in. Take a piece of dental floss and gently slide it between your teeth, following the natural curve of each tooth. Repeat this process for all your teeth, making sure to go below the gum line. Flossing removes plaque and food particles, preventing cavities and gum disease. Our next step is to watch what we eat. A healthy diet is essential for maintaining good oral health. Limit sugary and acidic foods and beverages as they can contribute to tooth decay. Instead, focus on nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These choices promote strong teeth and gums while boosting your overall health. Step 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is not only good for your body but also for your oral health. Water helps wash away food particles and stimulates saliva production, which is essential for neutralizing acids and maintaining a healthy pH balance in your mouth. Now, let's discuss the importance of regular dental checkups. Step 5 is to visit your dentist regularly. Even if you practice good oral hygiene at home, professional dental cleanings and exams are crucial. Your dentist can identify any potential issues early on and provide appropriate treatments. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. To recap, here are the 5 steps for maintaining good oral hygiene. Brush your teeth properly, don't forget to floss, choose a healthy diet, stay hydrated, and visit your dentist regularly. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to a beautiful smile and optimal oral health. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on oral health. Remember, taking care of your teeth is a lifelong commitment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.